Hello there, guys and girls. Good afternoon. See this helpless frog? Hold on. I'm gonna get you in there. It was being hit and run with some heartless people. Mm, please bear for those who are eating right now. So sad. Too bad. They didn't give you a chance to live. Guys and girls, if you see a frog, if you are driving or walking, check them out, guys and girls. Give them a break. Do not hit them, okay? You know what? Frogs are harmful ones. They help us destroy and protect from mosquitoes. They eat mosquitoes.